Hey y'all, we're doing brows today. I'm so excited. So what I have right here is the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil from e.l.f. or e.l.f., whatever you want to call it. It's in color Cool Brown. It's dual-sided with the pencil and the spoolie. So we'll just take the spoolie, just simply just brush up your brow hairs in the same direction. That's all you gotta do. You wanna make sure they're all going in the same direction. Next, I don't know why, my brow hairs always stick to my pencil. I hate it. So anyways, just start short strokes. I'm all about, just taking your time. Do not rush things. Just line the bottom of your brows very naturally. Make a natural arch. You do not have to rush this process because this is like your base. So just see how I'm lining it. If you have to go back, that's fine. But make sure, I have not had my brows done in months, so they don't have to be perfect as far as like your natural brow. So just start, like I said, line the bottom of your brows. You see I have a natural arch, and that's pretty much it. So next is the fun part. You're gonna start filling in. Once again, short strokes, take your time. Just color them in like you're in school. Just color in your brows. You wanna make sure that they're filled but natural. Do not do the front part. Do not color in the front part. And then line the top of your brows, basically mimicking the bottom. Once again, a natural arch. Doing this all at the same time, coloring in, lining the top, coloring in, lining the top. All while trying to connect the two lines to make your tail of the eyebrow. See what I'm doing there? Just make sure you're doing it all together. Coloring in, lining the top, connecting to make a tail. See, look at that. Look how pretty. Very simple. Take your time. There's no rush at all. Now, any spots you might have missed, just go back and fill them in. No problem at all. There you go. Okay, so next we're going to take your spoolie. Trusty spoolie. This is where you're gonna start making a gradient effect to your brows. The gradient effect makes them look super natural. You're basically taking the color from the brows that you already colored in and you're pulling that color to the front. You see that? And brushing them up. It just basically all blends together. So you'll have like light to dark. That's all I'm doing. Just brushing it all together. Brush all of the color together. Super easy. You can tell by what it looks like. Just keep looking, brushing in, looking, brushing in, looking. Look at that. Look, see, that's cute. Okay. So next you're going to use the Tinted Brow Mascara from NYX. This is color Espresso. I know, child, I broke the top off and I said, I can still use this. It's nothing wrong with it. So you're going to basically, I guess, seal your eyebrows. Make sure they look very professional, still natural at the same time. I don't put a lot of mascara towards the front of the brow, more so in the back. And there you go, just fill it in because it is a dark brown color, and that's it. It is very simple, y'all. I don't even put a lot on my brows, but I just want to make sure that they're sealed. They look very natural, but yet again, very polished. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side, but we're gonna speed it up. Since I already did one brow, we're gonna speed up this side, but it's the same technique, same thing. You'll see it. We're just gonna speed it up just a little bit. I remember I once heard a YouTuber say your brows should be sisters, not twins. So they're not gonna look just alike, but they're gonna look good. You cute, that's cute.